Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm about to talk about good health, good skin, good hair, basically everything for women, which you get with just one product, okay, that I've been using. I've been using this for about 2 to 3 months now, and I really see results. These are multivitamins by Cenvitan. So Cenvitan Women Multivitamins, this is a really good product from Health Vit, and I've been using it for a while. I've done a video before also. I really want to tell you how important it is for women to start taking multivitamins once they're 25, because once you're 25 you get married, you start working, and then you have kids, and you're so busy with your life that you don't take care of yourself and don't eat properly. So eating properly is really important. I know we eat a lot of things, but now everything is not like really healthy, everything is not organic, so we don't get our iron, minerals, all these things. So vitamins and minerals are really important for good health. So this here has everything. So I'm gonna tell you what all it has. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, B, there's vitamin A, so the list is long. There's magnesium, calcium, zinc, iron. So especially now during this pandemic, it also improves your immunity. It's really good. It has iron, zinc, it has vitamin C, which is really, really important during this corona situation. So please take your multivitamins. This is the one that I've been using. I love it. It's really good. My nails have improved. Now I've got nail extensions, but the quality of my skin, my hair, everything has really improved, and I want you guys to stay healthy, so I'm requesting you to get these. I'll put the link down below from where you can get these, and let me open it and show it to you guys. So it comes in a box like this. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to remove one tab and show you. So here is one tablet. So you take it once a day. These don't have any chemicals or anything. It's really good, natural, and you won't have any side effects. Personally, I've been using it for a while now, so no side effects. Really good for your health. So I'll put the link down below. Please go get your multivitamins, have it every day, and let me know if you see improvements, and if you have any questions about vitamins, anything basically, let me know in the comment section below. And also please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.